Moms and Female is the play written by G.B. Shaw. So today we see the Shamri. Shamri, Act 1, Act 2nd and Act 3rd. In the Act 1 we meet Luca, Rena, Catherine, Sergius and Bluntschli. These are the important characters in the play. In those days, a battle was going on between Bulgarian and Serbs. Battle was going on between Bulgaria and Serbs. And result was that Bulgarians had won and the Serbs got crushing defeat. The house is of Major Petkov. Major Petkov's daughter is Rena. Rena's mother is Catherine. All of a sudden in the night, a soldier from Serb or the soldier from the defeated country arrives in the house of Major Petkov and enters the room of Rena. Because he wanted to save himself from the attackers, he was afraid lest his own soldiers should see him running away. So he wanted to save himself. Just after entering the room of Rena, he asked her not to open her mouth and not to disclose the news to anybody. So Rena, without any fear, helps him, gives him water and some chocolates from her box, and she feels great wonder that in the pockets of Bluntschli there are several chocolates. She laughs and names him Chocolate Cream Soldier. Chocolate Cream Soldier, because instead of ammunition he keeps chocolates in his pocket. In those days, Rena loved to Sergius and she worships the picture of Sergius. Sergius is a soldier of Bulgarian military. But just after entering the room of Bluntschli, she falls in love with him and forgets worshipping Sergius. Okay, later on what happens? There is a Luca. Who is Luca? Luca is the maid of her family. She is married. Luca comes to understand about the new love story between Rena and Bluntschli. And there is a man, Nicola. Nicola is also a servant, and some slight love affair is going on between Luca and Nicola. But Luca is a very ambitious girl. She wants to be upgraded and neglects him because she sees a dream of being wife of Sergius, because Sergius also comes and flirts her. That is why she becomes ambitious. So this is second love story of Luca and Nicola. Ultimately, Rena falls in love with Bluntschli. However, several turns take place. She wants to hide him, but could not be possible. The news of his safety comes in the ear of Major Petkov. and Sergius also. When Sergius comes, Luca discloses the reality. So he also forgets Rena and increases his intimacy with Luca. So ends this act. This is the second act after 1 year. The story here was related to 1885. The story here we see after 1 year of 1886. After the gap of 1 year, here the scene is of garden of Major Petkoff. In the garden, all the important characters meet. Even Sergius and Bluntschli also meet. And Sergius is jealous to Bluntschli because he is in love affair with his Rena. That's why he is angry. But he could not do anything. Nicola and Sergius and Luca both are against Sergius and Rena. So what happens in the last? Rena marriage with Bluntschli and Sergius marriage with Luca. So this is the end of this story. Here the theme is love and marriage and also greed. Greed is also an important theme because Major Petkoff and Catherine also forget Sergius on the thought that Bluntschli's father had died by leaving enormous amount of wealth. So he also wants, or they also want, to marry their daughter with Bluntschli. Although she was of 17, but they show her age 23rd of age. Ultimately they get success and Rena becomes wife of Bluntschli. Here ends the story.